Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your photos using TikTok templates. So select the plus button here, and then you're just going to select the templates button, and then you're going to select the template that you want to use. It's going to use this manga transition. I don't know if I said that right. And I'm going to just upload photos, and I'm just going to select one photo. It does say, I think, on the top, how many photos that they'll need. Like this one, you need to upload 2 photos. This one, 1, 2, 4 photos. This one is 2 photos. Let's just select this one and just upload 1 photo. Then you are going to press this next button. And it's going to apply the effect, basically. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And I think also on the music tab, you can change it if you do not like the song that the template gave. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!